Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm still a little under the weather, but I just got my Allure beauty box in the mail. This is my Allure beauty box for November 2023. If you're unfamiliar with the Allure beauty box, this is a $25 monthly subscription where you receive around 6 items. Sometimes it's 6, sometimes it's 7, and some of them are full size, and we also get a bunch of minis. I will note that I have found in my experience with Allure beauty box that it is more skincare focused or skincare heavy, but we do get some makeup sometimes, and it's one of my favorites. I always feel like I get the bang for my buck here. You do get a small little pamphlet. This will tell us everything that's in here. It will let us know pricing and things like that. You'll typically get some flyers, informations, little cards. We typically, I'm guessing they're a partner with HelloFresh, I'm not sure, but we also get a HelloFresh card as well. First up, oh, lots of good stuff, you guys. First up is the Mud Masky Dandruff Control Scalp Soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, and anti-hair loss, fragrance free. And that is a pretty big size too. I have tried like the primer something from them in the yellow tube, and I really thought it was nice. Next up is the Natura Ecos, hopefully I'm saying that right, the shower cream for the body. Ooh, and it says 94% natural origin, and we are vegan. That's awesome. Next up is the Palm or Pomade, the all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. I need that right now. Being sick, I have not done as much skincare and stuff as I typically do. It says this is a multi-benefit cream, keeps your cuticles hydrated, soft, and bacteria-free, while active ingredients like plant keratin and biotin strengthen, repair, and protect your nails. And they are cruelty-free and vegan. I actually kind of want to look at this. And the top part of it says be in touch. I'm guessing that's going to be the scent of it. This is a pretty good size too. I like the packaging. It has a like little squeezy tube. I do want to see just kind of what the texture is like. Oh, pretty dense, pretty thick. And typically I actually rub it on my hands like so, and then push it to the opposing hand. I don't know if that's the right way, but that's how I do it. And then I do my thumbs. Oh, that smells so familiar to me, and I can't fully smell, but it almost smells like kind of like sweet tarts, or like kind of citrusy, like a sweet tart, or like the little Smarties candies. It has absorbed pretty quickly into the skin. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying that. I'll definitely update you guys on that. That's really nice. All right, next up is the Amika The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. They are a great, well-known hair care brand, and most of their stuff smells so good. Next up is the Medicate the Crystal Retinol 3 Stable Retinol Night Serum. Oh, that sounds really good. I got a couple of Medicate products in my, I believe, Look Fantastic box, and a lot of you guys are like, you need to test them out. They're fantastic. All right, next up, and then there's one more thing in here. This is the Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream with purified peptides. This is a little sampler, or like a little travel mini. I actually really love getting these sizes. I say this all the time. We go to visit our son, and I take stuff like that, and I use it consistently, and I use it very quickly. And then last but not least, that was a lot of stuff, y'all. This is the Belief Moisturizing Balm Toner. Oh, I thought it was going to be like the little eye balm thing. Milky textured toner for ultra dry skin. That sounds incredible, especially right now because I've not been doing any of my skincare other than a little bit of moisturizer and my lip salve. So let me get the box out of the way. I'm thrilled. I think this was a fantastic month. Let's see. We had the Medicate Crystal Retinol, and I love that they give you the pamphlet that tells you everything. Why? You'll love it. Whether you're a retinol newbie or a diehard fan, this serum is for you. With 0.3% retinol hide, the gentle concentration is great if you're giving vitamin A try for the first time, or if you already love retinol's line smoothing, glow boosting powers, but don't care for the potential irritation. My skin can be very sensitive, but I didn't experience any redness, flaking, or irritation with this product. That's why I haven't used very many retinol type products, says McGrath. If you're working to undo the hours you spent outside this summer, this gentle retinol can help reverse new dark spots, and it is a great time of year to tackle that project. I'm intrigued, I'm excited, and I'm definitely going to be testing this out. It says how you use it. The super creamy texture melts into the skin, making it a joy to apply and easy to layer under the rest of your nighttime routine. Okay. And you do also want to make sure that you're using a nice high SPF or sunscreen if you do use something like this. Also with vitamin C, things like that. To start, use before bed only once or twice a week. This is very important. Skip this or any other retinol if you are pregnant. So word of caution there. Retail price is $64. It doesn't say for what size. So I don't know if this is a full size or not, but if it is, that is well worth the value of the box. And then you also get a promo code. Receive 25% off with the code Allure25 through February 1st, 2024 on medic8.com. That's exciting. Okay, that's going to go on my bedside next to my Nomad Cosmetics stuff. Next up, we had the Pomade. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This was the all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. Why you'll love it. Without soft skin and hydrated cuticles, even the freshest crimson manicure won't seem nearly as shiny. To keep hands and cuticles looking their best, stash a tube of this cream in your handbag. Or if you don't really carry a purse, then just throw it in your car. Though it feels super lightweight and sinks in as soon as you rub your hands together, nourishing ingredients like sweet almond oil, shea butter, and grapeseed oil go heavy on the hydration, so you're left with smoother hands and a delicate citrus scent. I was right! And it says use throughout the day after you wash your hands or when you reach for something else in your purse. Reapply a pea-size amount, rub into your cuticles. This is $28 for 22 mils. That is a full size for $28. That again is the price of our box. They also give a code, and typically they do with most of the products that come in the box. You'll receive 20% off site-wide with code Allure20 through January 10, and that is mypaume.com. Pomade. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled about everything so far, you guys. Next up was our Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Scalp Serum. Why you'll love it. Maybe your scalp is feeling dry and itchy as the weather turns colder, or maybe it could use some TLC after too much blow drying. This silky serum is easy to apply. Its texture is reminiscent of a facial serum. Oh, and it soothes the scalp with calming, cozy ingredients like honey, chamomile, and macadamia oil. A subtle herbal scent, plus the fact that you massage it on, makes the whole experience relaxing. Your scalp will feel refreshed and ready for the next styling session. After showering, when your hair is still damp, warm up 3 drops by rubbing them between your fingertips. Massage onto your clean scalp, making small circles, and finish your routine as usual. This leave-on serum is invisible in the hair. That's pretty sweet. And this is $72 for 2 ounces. I don't know if that's a type 72. Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Would I ever spend that much money on this?
Let me not get too close. Look, rosacea Riri is in full effect, y'all. And you get 25% off of mudmasky.com with the code Allure25 through December 31st. 72. To be sure, that is not the right. I did not realize they were that expensive. Holy freaking crap. That's a lot of, y'all. That thing better massage my head for me and massage my back, my legs, and everything else. This I'm super intrigued about. I've never tried this. I have tried the Belief water bomb thing. The Belief Moisturizing Balm Toner. November has a way of zapping skin of moisture. It sure does. But Belief's toner can stop all the dullness. It is packed with hydrating ceramides to flood your skin with moisture for a softer, dewier complexion. Put a dime-size drop over your entire face after cleansing. You can use it morning and night. Try it under your new Cetaphil moisturizer to amp up your hydration game. That's pretty cool. And this is $30 for 200 mils, and it's 5 mils in the box. This does not have a discount code with it. Next up is this right here. This was our Natura Ecos Castana Creamy Shower Gel. Using a moisturizer post-shower is the best way to lock in full body hydration. There are days when you may not want to add even a few more minutes to your routine. That's why this body wash is so brilliant. It behaves almost like a lotion, keeping your skin hydrated long after you leave the shower thanks to omega-rich Brazil nut oil. Oh, that sounds nice. This creamy formula transforms into a pampering foam as you apply it and fills the air with a warm, appealing scent. That sounds great. I have never tried anything like this. And I guess you just step out of the shower and put it on the outside of the shower while you're still wet. It just kind of sucks it all up. And this is 30 mils, and it is $17 for 6.5 ounces. And this is 1 ounce. Next up, we have our Mika. This is the Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. Why you'll love it. This slick, thin formula takes only 1 minute to work its magic. Moisturizing butters and bond-building amino acid get right to work, making hair glossier, softer, and so much easier to brush through. Knots are now history. After shampooing and conditioning, drench your hair from root to tip. The treatment spreads on easily. Rinse after 1 minute and go about your routine. It is $30 for 200 mils. You get 30 mils in the box. And then last but certainly not least, this is a great box. Again, like I said, more skincare heavy. This is the Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream. Like your softest pajamas, this rich cream is a comfort you'll look forward to at the end of the day. It smooths on easily and sinks in quickly. There's no residue rubbing off on your pillow here, only smoother, dewier skin by morning. Apply to clean skin before bed. It also really layers nicely over serum or toner like your new one from Believe. This is $19.95 for 1.7 ounces, and there are 10 mils in here. I love this. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I'm really excited about these types of products, especially going into the colder months, and especially for somebody like me. I have very dry skin, very textured skin. I have very sensitive, reactive skin. I have rosacea. Look, we have all the things. And I get sick a few times during this time of the year, so it's even more important to me, especially after being sick, to get my skin back to a nice, healthy place. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, I will update you on everything that I'm going to be using and testing out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you receive the Allure Beauty Box or any of these Your Holy Grail products? Have you tried any of these? Do you want to try any of these? Let's have that conversation down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Okay, I'm gonna love this. And that sounds great. I'm gonna keep that on my nightstand. Allowed to absorb and then follow moisturizer. So I might want to do a lighter moisturizer with this. I'm gonna try these together.